Remember our innovation workshop last year? We invited key battery stakeholders to see BATRAW's latest achievements and share their feedback. Take a look.
My name is Igor Cantero, CEO or the founder of BATIC. The recycling is not only an opportunity, it's something compulsory for the next years. It's very important to have a good relationship between the different actors in the chain.
My name is Björn Eberle from Borg-Warner Battery Systems. For us as a battery manufacturer, it's of course very interesting to see opportunity to reuse the battery either for second life or bring it to the recycling. So learn about the impact on the cost and the complexity of the process for the end-of-life treatment. That's really interesting.
My name is Izaskun Aizpuru-Arconada. I work in Cidetec. There is much work to do. This is a very immature market. We are making these initial steps, and then I can see that we need different kind of technology so that we can apply to the different types of battery systems that we have available in the market nowadays.
My name is Iñaki Sainz. I come from Lortec. We are really interested in seeing automatic or semi-automatic disassembly of batteries. I think this is a completely manual process. Changes a lot from one reference to another, but I think the future will be automated.
My name is Susan Sananes, and I work as a senior researcher in Cidetec Energy Storage. It was very interesting to learn about the possibility of repairing and the diagnostic tool, also to learn about the state of health of the battery before disassembling.
John de Andrés Bilbao from Trump Maquinaria in Spain. If we see a challenge, variety of batteries and modules requires more testing from local subsidiaries or local partners.